In this short video tutorial, I want to share with you how to protect a given sheet on Microsoft Excel. So for example, I have this inventory list of my company. I didn't put the name, this is just an arbitrary company, and let's say I want to share this with my co-workers and I want them to kind of play around with the pricing of these commodities. Okay, so for example, we have a number of commodities, the names and descriptions, and then I want them to play around with this, only this price. I don't want them to play around with the names and other details, okay, inventory ID and all that, and also the inventory value, the recorder level. I don't want them to play with all this. I only want them to play with only the unit price, okay, so they can have access to it, change it accordingly. So all you need to do is to make sure you've selected everything in terms of where you want to unlock for them to have access to. Okay, so for example, the unit price, you just select, you can drag it up to the end. This is the only place you want them to edit, and the other place should remain unlocked and should remain locked. You don't want them to have access to it. So once you select it, you can come to the home ribbon, font tab over here, or alignment or number or anyone. You can change anyone, but I can go with font. Okay, you can use it, you can do the same thing that I want to do on the alignment. You can do the same on the number or on styles. Okay, but I want to go to font. Once you click on this small arrow, you can just click on it and you can see it brought in this very dialog. You can come to the end of it, the extreme end, you can see protection. Okay, so you just click on protection. Usually by default, all the items in Microsoft Excel are locked, okay, or the other way around. But for you to unlock it, you can just you have to click on this, and then you can say the selected icon is now unlocked. Okay, the selected icons are now unlocked. So locking cells or hiding formulas has no effect until you protect the worksheet. So that's what it means. Until you protect the worksheet, everything is appearing locked or unlocked, but by default it says locked, but you know it's not locked. So until you now use protect worksheet, then it becomes locked. So for example, at this point we have unlocked this very column that we want to unhide for the students or for my co-workers to have access to. So once you've done, you unlock this, you can just come all the way and say okay, and you've now unlocked this. So to finalize the protection on this particular column, all you need to do is to come to the review tab over here. You can come to protect sheet. Okay, so you can see protect sheet over here, and you have the option to either password protect it, or you can just select the number of cells you want to unlock. You can choose to password protect it, or you can just leave it like that, and you can see all the rows are listed over here. So you can just click on OK, and this document is now protected. The whole document is protected except this very column that we've specified. So let me show you what happens when you try to change anything within the other columns or within the other cells. So let's say I try to change something here. You can see something cannot be changed. You see, I cannot change anything from here. I can even not change anything from here. But once I come to this particular unit price, I can change it. You can see I can change it. Once I can change it to even 100 if I want, and you can see it has changed. You can change this from 11 to let's say 50, and you can see it has changed. So you can change this, but you cannot change any other one. Okay, so this is kind of a bit of an advanced tip if for users that want to specify cells or columns or rows that you want people to have access to, and for others that you don't want them to have access to. So once you're done here, you can just save your file, and you can just proceed with your work. Okay? So you can just click on save as, you just navigate to wherever you want to save it, and then you can save it. This is just a bit about how to protect an Excel sheet. If you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.